I'm Keith Singer. I'm going to go over the affidavit regarding minor children. It's a form that we commonly use in all sorts of family law proceedings. It's a required form that tells the court a little bit of information about the children that are going to be subject to the proceeding, and also whether there are any other court actions involving those children someplace else or other people who claim rights to those children. This is information that the family law court needs to know before it gets too far in handling the proceeding that you wish to establish with respect to your children. At the top of the form, you'll indicate your name, address, city, state, zip, phone number, and then you'll fill in the caption, you as the petitioner, if you are the petitioner, and the other party is the respondent, the case number if you have a case number. If you don't, it'll be stamped in if you don't yet have a case number. If you don't yet have an assigned judge, that'll be stamped in. At the top of the form, it asks you to identify the nature of the action, a marital dissolution, legal separation, paternity action, whatnot. You have to verify whether the mother of the children is or is not pregnant so that we know whether there are possibly other children that are on the way. Whether there are minor children who are in both of the parties or one of the parties' care. If there are no minor children, then you would indicate that. And if there are minor children of the parties, then the form is going to ask you where those children have resided for the past 5 years. If they've resided with both of you together for the past 5 years, then you would so indicate. If the children have resided with one party primarily, then you would so indicate. And finally, the form asks for, in various ways, it asks for information about other proceedings that might be taking place with respect to those children. Is there an action in another state where maybe someone got an outcome that they didn't like, so they came to Arizona to try to get a better outcome? Well, the court needs to know about that so that we don't accidentally contradict an order from another state. Is there someone who is claiming rights to the children other than a legal parent, like CPS or DCS as we call it now in Arizona, or a grandparent or some other party who is not a parent? The court wants to be aware of that. It's a document that is signed under oath in front of a notary under penalty of perjury and, as I said, submitted along with many family law actions. This is the affidavit regarding minor children. Thank you.